welcome back to the channel. So I don't even know where to start today's video because today we finally hit 5,000 freaking subscribers. So this morning, well, I really shouldn't even say morning, it's like 3 in the afternoon right now. I was out taking care of roads, snow removal type situation, spreading salt really for the most part. Driving home right now in the Jetta, and the roads are pretty slick, not gonna lie. It started off as like snow, and then now it's just turning into like freezing rain / sleet. So the front tires on the Jetta are bald, which I have a solution for that. I'm not sure if it'll be in today's video or not, but we do have a solution for the bald tires on the front. But I still can't freaking believe that. Like this morning when I was heading into work, I looked at, you know, my YouTube analytics and my status of everything, and it was saying, oh, you're at 4,997, and I'm like, dude, it's gonna happen. It's gonna freaking happen today. And sure enough, check my phone, 3 o'clock in the afternoon now, and all of a sudden we have like 5,005. So holy shit, we hit 5,000 subscribers. Now, kind of the crappy part of parking this Jetta, because my driveway is like really shitty. It's steep and it's stone. Where my grandfather's house, which is across the street, his driveway is really steep, but it's at least paved. So curious to see if I'm going to even venture to getting this damn thing in the driveway or just parking it out in front of my house. But you guys will be along for the ride, so I might angle the camera so you guys can see. Problem is my grandpa's house has like this pretty massive wall made out of cinder block, and I'm not really trying to like play ping pong with the wall, so we'll see. Honestly, kind of hoping that my parents didn't plow his driveway and there's still snow on the driveway. I feel like that might be my best case of getting up the driveway, but find out here in a minute. Alright, so this is where we gotta make a decision. Do we full send it or just casually? Well, yep, nope, not happening. So, yeah, looks like this is gonna do here for now. I'm gonna have to shovel his driveway. There's no way in hell that this damn thing is going to make it up there with bald tires. No way in hell. Alright guys, so I was gonna make a video out of this, but I think we're just gonna turn this into like a little bit of a 5,000 subscriber vlog. I am going to explain why the Jeep is currently sitting up here and just chilling, and why the Jetta was put on the road relatively quick. Quite frankly, I didn't get some of the stuff done that I wanted to get done, but we were kind of forced into a crappy situation to put the Jetta on the road. This ice crap is kind of annoying. I did end up shoveling like up to this point and then just sending it over here, but thank God I got this thing on the road, because you guys remember in that last video I told you that this thing needed brakes. Actually, I'll throw in the clip. Both sets of front brakes need to be done, so that's definitely something that I'll just knock out on my own. We'll probably end up doing a video on it. There's a really loud Subaru coming down the road, but you guys probably won't be able to see. You'll be able to hear it. Well, yeah, thank God that the Jetta is still here, because basically the brakes completely went out on the Jeep on one of my days going to work. As you can see, this wheel is black. This wheel is black. Come around at the other side here. Sorry for the ice noise. This wheel is black. This wheel is brown. So yeah, the brakes are entirely shot on the Jeep. It's not a good situation. Just kind of poor maintenance on my spot. Obviously, we were in a little bit of a pinch. Thought I had a little bit more life in the brakes, but apparently not enough, and it was just sketchy. So believe it or not, the Jetta for the past week, I haven't posted in like the past 8 days, 9 days, And I've been driving the Jetta to and from work each one of those days. Unfortunately, the Jetta does still have a 2018 inspection sticker, which I'm not sure if you guys can see that. But it is getting inspected, don't worry about it. I did say at the beginning of the video that we do have replacements for the front tires that are kind of bald. Honestly, I am loving the Jetta at this point, because I put $20 worth of fuel in it the other day and it lasted me like 300 miles. It was absolutely awesome. If I would have put $20 worth of fuel in the Jeep, that would have got me to work back home and then maybe to work the next day. But we are at my grandpa's house. Now, my little brother Grizzly Copen does drum covers. So if you guys watched to this point in the video, he does drum covers, so he's inside. I might actually record a video for him. I'm not gonna record like his audio, like if he's doing background music to it, just because I don't want to get demonetized. But if you guys don't already subscribe to Grizzly Copen, let's get him to 200 subscribers. So I'm thinking, because it's kind of chilly and there's like a layer of ice over top of this, yes, there's not a lot of snow on the ground, but we might take the sled out in the backyard and just go for a little rip ski. Who knows? I mean, we'll see. We're walking over to my house now. Well, it's really cold and there's not a lot of snow in the yard. That's all right. I don't even know if it'll start. Nothing that I own runs right. Smell feel. That's for fucking sure. Yeah, you got it, man. That didn't go as planned. Damn thing don't want to start. Nothing that wants to run right. But that's alright, because we hit 5,000 subscribers. And if you aren't already subscribed, make sure you freaking do it, so you can watch all of my vehicles not run. Alright guys, we're going to wrap up this video in the man cave, in my studio, my office, whatever the hell you want to call it. Just a spare bedroom, being completely honest with you guys. So yeah, this is nuts. I'm out of breath because it's so damn cold and the sled didn't want to start, and I'm out of shape. I'm winded. I am a shape. I'm kind of round. But yeah, so if you guys, honestly, those of you guys that are subscribed to the channel, thank you guys so much. It truly does mean a lot. I've said it plenty of times before, where when I started my YouTube channel, like, the goal was to hit 100 subscribers, and I was like, everybody was telling me your first 100 is like the most difficult, and I believe them, but we hit 100 like lickety split. Then we ended up hitting 1,000 within like 6 months, and I was like, holy crap, YouTube might be something that I continue to do. Obviously then we dealt with the whole U.S. smokeless tobacco demonetization, trademark bullshit, and I had to, since then, change my whole content around and go from like tobacco challenges and just hooning around to hooning around and automotive stuff. And honestly, that has helped me out so much in the long run, more than people really realize. Obviously, owning multiple vehicles and building different vehicles at the same time is kind of a struggle. I hit on it pretty big in the Jetta video, that this Jetta is going to help kickstart my channel even more. We are at the spot where we did hit 5,000 subscribers, which is fantastic, but the Jeep is down, the truck is down, and thank God for the Jetta. But the Jetta is going to save me so much more money in the long run, and ultimately making the decision as to what the next move is. I know we talked about getting rid of the truck and the Jeep. So yeah, we're gonna leave it at that. Jetta's gonna save us a shit ton of money. Sorry the content wasn't the greatest today, but I figured we might as well make this more of a talking vlog for 5,000. I really wasn't expecting to hit it today, but that's just kind of how the cookie crumbled, being completely honest with you guys. And we're going to kick back into normal content, get back to working on the Jetta, get the Jeep fixed up, and I got a couple things in store for you guys. So stay tuned for that. Thank you so much, guys, for getting me to 5,000 subscribers. Here's our next milestone, which is going to be 10,000, which I would love to hit this year. So let's shoot to get to 10,000 subscribers this year and just continue to grow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry it was boring, but I will catch you guys in the freaking next one.